Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited about today's video because we're going to be talking about one of my favorite side hustles, which is selling courses. And I'm also going to be walking you through TrainerCentral, which is one of the newest hosting platforms that I've recently discovered. And I'm actually pretty excited about all the functions and capabilities it has. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So based on my research and something that you might have seen also on YouTube is that there are usually two types of business models that people use when they're selling their courses. The first one, which I think is perfect for beginners, that's where I started, is creating a course and putting it on course marketplaces such as Udemy, Skillshare, SkillSuccess, and similar platforms. The nice thing about those platforms is that all the marketing and sales is done for you, so you don't really have to put a lot of time and effort into it. However, it also comes with its own downsides, such as often at times you're not able to control the pricing of your courses, which is something that I've been struggling with a lot because sometimes my course gets sold for like $50 and sometimes it gets sold for like $3. I'm not even kidding you. It can be that dramatically different. These platforms also don't give you access to your student emails, which will make it very hard for you to scale your business because you won't be able to sell directly to your audience. Once again, this is a really great model to start with just to get an idea and learn how course creation works. However, if you're looking to really scale your course creation business and start seeing the same results as what you see from some of the major YouTubers and influencers there when they make millions of dollars with their courses, is you need to start selling to your own audience in your own email list. So this is where I think that TrainerCentral is actually a really great tool that is going to solve a lot of those problems that I just mentioned. So in case you're not familiar with TrainerCentral, this platform would be perfect for those of you who are looking to scale your online course business this year and create more passive income, which we love on this channel. Here are some of the key features that I think add a lot of value to TrainerCentral and add a lot more potential to your future business. So for example, they do have the inbuilt live workshops. So I do think it's one of the features that kind of takes your online course to the next level, because a lot of these live workshops are a great way for you to engage more with your audience and even attract potential students. As you guys know, a lot of course creators do things like live webinars and workshops, and that's a really great way for you to attract and potentially convert future clients. This is also perfect for those of you who offer programs that have weekly masterminds or group calls. So instead of having to go ahead and schedule a separate Zoom meeting, you can just use this feature within TrainerCentral, which saves you a lot of time. The next feature that I'm personally very excited to test out is different payment models. When using TrainerCentral, trainers can sell courses in 5 different models. You can make it free. For example, if you're using your mini course as a lead magnet or something like that. Then you also have the one-time payment option. You can also offer a subscription model, which will remove barrier of entry for a lot of students who can't afford to do a one-time payment for a course. You can do a fixed payment plan, which is another very popular payment method that I noticed a lot of course creators do. And then finally, you have part payments, which personally is a little bit new to me, but I'm definitely very curious about this one. Oh wow, I can't believe I almost forgot this. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because, as you know, it really helps small YouTubers like myself here on this platform. And in general, if you like content about side hustles, personal finance, and passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do release a new video every week. Okay, that was my shameless plug. Let's get back to the video. The next thing that I wanted to mention is white labeling options, which I think is really cool. Pretty much that means that you can start selling your courses using your own website and email domain. Pretty much you using your own branding instead of TrainerCentral's branding, which will make your brand look extra professional. And as an add-on, you can also add a fully white labeled learner's mobile app. That was quite a tongue twister. But I do think this is a really good idea, especially if you are a lot more established as a brand and you want to create this easy learning experience for people to do from their phone. You can build your own app. Next feature, this one is probably the most fundamental one, which is TrainerCentral's course builder. So if you have created courses before and tried uploading them on different platforms, you probably noticed that some hosting platforms are a lot more user-friendly than others. And I personally really like that course builder style where you can upload different chapters and add media and things like that, because to me it kind of feels like a checklist. So I know exactly what I need to upload and when. And if you have taken online courses before, you can probably agree that the whole usability of the hosting platform and the website make a very big difference in your, willingness to learn. I don't know how to describe it. So that's something that I personally think TrainerCentral has done done a pretty good job at. It is user-friendly, and this course builder is something that will make your life as a course creator way easier. So if you're currently thinking about launching a course, let me know in the comments down below. What is your course about? What are you thinking and having in your mind? Because I'm super curious. And the last feature that I wanted to mention is TrainerCentral's payment gateways. What I mean by gateways is that you as an instructor can receive payments through a variety of platforms, including PayPal, Stripe, Forte, Paytm, Authorize.net, and more, depending on where you're located. This makes accepting payments super easy and opens TrainerCentral to instructors globally. So as I mentioned earlier, and actually mentioned in quite a few of my recent videos, I recently launched my mini course, which is titled How to Land Brand Deals as a Small Content Creator. So I'm actually going to host it on TrainerCentral. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out down below. I'll include the link to TrainerCentral just so that you can experience it and see how you like it. So if you're interested in hosting your course on TrainerCentral, make sure to use my link down below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!